Have you been wanting to make a peg loom or even wonder what a peg loom is and what you can make with one? Watch today's video and we'll show you how you can make your own peg loom. If you're new to DIY on the house, you may not know that I am obsessed with weaving and crafting. And I am very fortunate to have Ross be very willing to make me a new loom for my next project. So today we are going to make a peg loom. If you're curious about my other projects, check the links down below. Ross has built looms for rugs, for table runners, for hot pad holders, pin looms for baby blankets. Check those out down below. But for today, a peg loom is basically a loom using pegs, but what you can make with it is amazing. This is a rug that I have made with the peg loom. The video for this is coming up shortly, so check back to the channel. But what you do on a peg loom is you weave your fabric through the pegs so your loom is really as wide as you want your project to be. So if you want to do a blanket, build a wide loom. You can use that same loom for a narrow project and just use a few of the pegs. So I don't want it to get you confused on that. Today we're going to just show you how to build the peg loom. The supplies for this is basically a 2x4 or 2x3 and some pegs. If you ever have any questions through the process, comment down below. We love to hear from you, but let's get started. So there you have the finished peg loom. If you have any questions during the process, please comment down below. Check back to our channel for videos on how to use the peg loom, how to weave rugs, how to crochet, home repairs. But we just appreciate you watching and thank you for joining DIY on the house.